shoulder, and Emma was so happy too. Dixie ran and she jumped, and she could not sit still, not for one more minute. Dixie leaped in the air. Crash! Dixie tipped over games and she knocked down the brook. Dixie, stop!
He's ready to quit.
Emma shouted, I still have to study. The play is in 3 days.
Maybe he wants to read. Can you scoot over a little bit forward?
Where is your helicopter? I haven't seen it.
It's in Daddy's office.
What are you doing?
He says he wants to read that book.
Oh, he does? Okay. All right.
You're bothering me.
You okay? Oh, get your little leg in. He's trying not to. He's trying really hard. Okay. What if I forget my lines? Emma whispered. What if I mess up? She turned her back to Dixie and picked up the papers to study. Not again. All that studying, that is just too much. Dixie had to do something. She grabbed a ruby slipper. That was one of Dorothy's slippers, her shoes. And she ran out of the room with that shoe. Dixie, Emma shouted, bring that back. But Dixie didn't. She hid the shoe, and then Dixie hid too. She stuck the shoe under the bed, and she's looking for, Emma's looking everywhere for it. Emma looked and looked, and she couldn't find the slipper anywhere. At last.
Kirk, all those